What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the 23134 Auto. This is going to be our 12x2 self-adjusting brake assembly for a 5200 and a 7,000 pound axle. You can see right here, this is the box we get it in. We'll open this up. We have our small parts here. And we have our True-Ride backing plates. We can see the magnet is already on it. These are already assembled and ready to mount up. This cord right here is what tells us it's going to be self-adjusting. That's what allows it to adjust out as we use it. We can see that it's got our 5-hole mounting, and the mounting is going to be 2 7/8 from here to here on these. It's going to be 3 inches across and 3 7/8 diagonally. You can see as well on the back here we have our 2 wires. One's going to be a hot and one's going to be a ground. Then we have our mounting hardware here. And with this mounting hardware, more than likely it's already going to come on this plate on the axle, but just in case it doesn't, we send it for you. So you put it through the plate on the axle, through, and then tighten it down on this side. And we can see that we have our True-Ride inspection sticker in here. That's also going to tell us left hand, right hand, as well as if that sticker ever falls off. We do have a primary and a secondary shoe. Our primary is what's always going to face the truck. The primary shoe will always be smaller than the secondary. That's pretty much it, guys. That's the 23134 Auto.